In this video, I'll show you how to automatically notify your students when they join your course and send them an access link. You'll also learn how to let them know whenever you publish new content in your course. You can set all of this up quickly and easily inside ClickFunnels 2.0 using its powerful built-in system email feature, so your students always stay informed without you having to send messages manually. To access these emails, open your workspace settings from the bottom of the left-hand menu. Again, from the left-hand menu, click on System Emails. Now go to the Course tab. Here, you'll find all the emails that ClickFunnels sends automatically. Whenever a specific action happens in your course, ClickFunnels will trigger the right email. For example, it can notify new members when they're enrolled, alert students when a new module is added or removed, and even send updates if you add or delete multiple modules at once. If you want to customize a specific email template, simply click on that template. Now, you can easily change the subject line of the email and also the content of the email. When you click the Customize button, the email body will open in the editor. It might take a few moments to load. Once it's loaded, you'll see your canvas area on one side and all the available elements on the other. You can simply drag and drop these elements to customize your email template the way you want. That's how you can set up and customize your course emails inside ClickFunnels 2.0. Now your students will automatically get updates whenever they join your course or when you publish new content, saving you time and keeping them engaged. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorials.